Click on the link below to get price. The Yamaha EF2200iS Inverter generator is a remarkable piece of equipment that stands out in the crowded market of portable generators. With a power output of 2,200 watts, this model strikes an excellent balance between performance and portability, making it suitable for everything from camping trips to emergency power supply at home. One of the most impressive aspects of the EF2200 is its fuel efficiency. Thanks to its smart throttle technology, it adjusts the engine speed based on the load, allowing it to conserve fuel while still delivering the necessary power. This means longer run times on a single tank, which is invaluable for extended use. Users report a runtime of up to 10.5 hours on a quarter load, making it an efficient choice for those long outdoor adventures or during power outages. The design of the generator is another strong point. At just 55 pounds, it is surprisingly lightweight and easy to transport. The built-in handle and compact dimensions make it convenient to carry around, whether you're loading it into your car or moving it around your yard. Additionally, the blue aesthetic is both modern and professional, setting it apart from other generators that often come in drab colors. Performance-wise, the EF2200iS operates quietly, producing only 58 dBA at a quarter load, which is quieter than many other generators in its class. This makes it ideal for camping or tailgating, where noise can be a significant concern. Additionally, its inverter technology ensures clean, stable power that is safe for sensitive electronics, like laptops and smartphones. While the price point may be higher than some competitors, the reliability, fuel efficiency, and quiet operation of the Yamaha EF2200iS make it a worthwhile investment. This generator is perfect for those who need portable power without sacrificing quality or performance. Overall, it's a robust, versatile choice that has gained the trust of countless users.